Northern Line train. We are going to Manchester Oxford Road. There we go.
We got the new train this time, isn't it?
Yes.
So we're gonna show you
There's
around.
an old and new train on the Northern Line train.
Door is opening. Door is closing.
I take a picture of us. No, he's taking a video. Hi. Hi everyone. So now we are heading to Manchester Oxford Road to go to Warrington Central. And here's the train. It's an old train.
So we travel the new Northern Line and this one is the older version. Let's see what's the difference. And
Beep, beep, beep.
how it looks like.
There's a button.
Yeah, that's the toilet here, so it's really, yeah, it's really old. The other side.
Where's the toilet?
This is the Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road. The next stop is Halewood.
There's a luggage truck. Yes. Yeah. And right here, 4 seats, table seats.
Oh, yeah.
So many. Come here, this side. You can choose which side you want to sit.
No, this side because it's wet.
Okay, choose the best seat. And that's the end.
Wait, no, let's sit here because it's all clean.
And that's the driver's cabin. So that's the old version of Northern trains.
Hi. We are in the old Northern Line, and it's going towards Manchester Oxford Street. But we are going to what was it?
Warrington Central.
Yeah, Warrington
And
Central.
This is not so bad train, so it's not that old. This, I would say this is the medium.
Yeah.
We saw an older one, we saw a new one, and this one is like. Alright, so Nico is hungry. Bye for now. Oh, there's the toilet. So we arrived. Yeah. Oh, we are at the front. So this was our ride with Northern Lines to Warrington Central, and it goes to Manchester City now.